Batu caves, and I'm gonna have to walk up these really tall steps. Let's see how long this takes. I'm gonna try to leave this in real time unless I'm just too tired, but let's see how far I can get. Oh man. Yeah. And if you have to take it slow, take your time. This is definitely not an easy walk, and you have to be careful. There's really non-derails.
They came and then finally, do you know why they came to save me? I went inside.
Okay. Wow, it's a lot of steps. So be careful. Be careful, because if you fall, it's a long way down. So, wow, look at that. I'm tired already. Let's take a break. I'm trying not to look down. I'm scared of heights. So, okay, just take it slow. Wow. Okay, maybe this is a one-time thing for me. This is a lot of steps. Depending upon how healthy you are, might be quicker. Climbing up is definitely harder than climbing down. Just take your time. Oh yeah.
I love the cave.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah, my legs hurt. Just keep looking forward. Don't look back. Okay, almost there. Oh, look at that. It's been like 3 minutes. At least the steps are large. If you're bringing your kids here, take your time. Wow. Wow. Almost there. Okay, all right. Okay, made it to the top of the Batu caves. Took me about 4 minutes. Had to stop as well. But check this out. Wow, incredible.